Many people are desperate to get rich fast but have no idea where to start. This exact strategy helped me earn $200 a week with just small initial deposit. I am sure it will work for you too. Watch till the end. I will show you all the settings and explain how to start trading with more money than you currently have in your wallet. Let's go. Okay, let's add our indicators. We need exactly 2 moving averages plus CCI. Now we need to set them up. For the first moving average, we change the period to 50. I will also make it white and thicken the line for better visibility. Okay, now everything ready. Moving to the second MA, here we set the period to 100 and also slightly modify its appearance. You can choose any colors you like. The key is being able to distinguish this line for each other. CCI remains unchanged. It works perfectly for our strategy. Now it's time to move on to the principle of opening trades. The key point is the crossover of MAs. When the line with a period of 50 is on the top, the market is rising and we only look for opportunities to take long position. At this approximate level, there will be a new crossover. The yellow MA will move upward while the price will be in the confirmed downtrend phase. It's important to note that sometimes the price retraced, like here. Overall, the chart moves unevenly, which is why we need a second indicator. Here, what CCI does, pay attention to the correlations. When CCI break out its channel boundaries, the price often stalls. This is the most dangerous moment. We skip such traders. CCI prevent us from entering during extreme rills, drop when risk is too high. Another clear example, CCI breach its limit again and look what happened to the price. We definitely don't enter here. Reverse scenario, now CCI exit the channel on the opposite side. After re-entering the channel, the asset rebounded slightly. This would be a valid entry point. So there is the setup. We have two MAs, their relative positions shows the overall trend directions. Meanwhile, CCI flags when to avoid entries. We were now trade ready. I will find an asset with a clear signal and we will begin. Okay, here we are entering the market short, guys. Now let's analyze the situation. CCI has moved downward after crossing the upper boundary. This reflected in this reversal. At the same time, we have a short-term trend line that has also been broken downwards. After the current small bounce, we should expect further decline, especially since we have the yellow MA on the top. Alright, now we just need to wait for the results. Let's see what happened with the price. Overall, we have upward trend in the long term, but considering it slowly down in this area here, we might well be seeing a reversal right now. In any case, our trade aligns perfectly with the strategy. The indicators are giving us all necessary signals and we are capitalizing on them. And here comes our first profit. Okay guys, we should examine other market situation. So I will switch chart now. Okay, here we are entering short again. Guys, let's look at the logic behind this move. CCI has been trading near the channel center for a while. It's in the safe zone with no filter signals. Meanwhile, we have a MA crossover with the yellow line above. Confirming the downtrend phase, the chart clearly supports this. We calmly waiting for the decline. If we draw the lower channel and boundaries, you will see the asset is moving precisely within its limit. Here the exact price target area. Now we just need to wait a bit longer. As you can see, I utilize every aspect of price analysis during trading. Yes, this required experience, but you will develop it over time. Start simple. Begin with this trading system. See indicator signals. Enter the market. Later you will gain access to many more financial instruments. Meanwhile, I'm already in profit and plan to continue trading here, increasing risk to $1,000, time to level up. Always stick to the same chart if the signal persists. In my experience, consecutive winning trades on one asset yield the biggest profit. Okay, let's keep trading. Entering short again. The market shows no sign, no reserving, so we are capitalizing on this opportunity. Key level alert. There is where price previously bounced and now the asset is falling right towards it. Always mark this zone. Here's another one. See how price tested it twice already. The asset is approaching it again now. Let's watch how this plays out. Pro Inside. These setups features prominently in my exclusive Telegram chart breakdowns. On my channel, I post live trade signals, reverse high profit strategies, and share real-time market analysis. This knowledge is free for all. Just hit subscribe, DM me anytime. Yes, I answer personally. Don't overthink it. The link in the video description. Trade update. Another profitable position closed. Guys, now let's switch charts and find new opportunities. I'm entering the market here. Let me break down the setup. CCI breaking upward and asset has no room to retreat. White MA position above. This logically suggests further upward movement, especially since the asset been in sustained uptrend. Okay guys, now we just wait for the results. This is our last trade today, assuming it close in profit, of course. Trading wisdom, the key skill. Knowing when to stop, make good profit, had productive session, great. Now take a break, recharge, handle other priorities. Golden rule, moderations is everything. Remember, you trade for your life, not living for trading. Meanwhile, I am counting down 3, 2, 1, perfect execution. Session wrap up. That's wrap up on trading. Guys, now let's recap today key lessons. Let's keep the conversation going. Like and subscribe. I will find this helpful. Comment below. Tell me what content you want more. Stay tuned. More valuable insight coming soon. That's all for now. Catch you in the next video. Trade well.